Tragedy unfolding overseas while you were sleeping. 3 Americans are presumed dead after an air tanker helping in the urgent firefight in Australia crashes. Lisa Washington is here with what we know about the crew on board and some new developments that you just learned.
That's right, Heather. There were 3 people on board, no survivors. They were all Americans. New information coming in overnight. They all died when that aerial water tanker crashed. It was in Australia's southern New South Wales state that's near the town of Cooma, again in Australia. Those 3 crew members, as I said, have not been identified, only to say that they were Americans. That plane was a C-130 Hercules. It was operated by a Canadian company. Officials in Australia confirmed those details overnight.
In excess of 70 aircraft that have been used today alone. And today is a stark and horrible reminder of the dangerous conditions that our volunteers, our emergency services personnel across a number of agencies undertake on a daily basis.
The company that operates that plane grounded their other firefighting aircraft as a precaution pending an investigation. That, of course, reduces the number of planes available to firefighters in both New South Wales and in neighboring Victoria State. Also this morning, we know that nearby Canberra Airport is closed because of wildfires there, and people living in that area are being told that they should seek shelter. The fight to contain those wildfires in Australia is far from over. Authorities said that 5 fires are now being described as emergency warning level. Reuters News Service says the crash brings the death toll from those wildfires to 32. That's since September. We know the blazes have killed an estimated 1 billion animals and destroyed more than 2,500 homes. Heather?
The destruction has been simply incredible.